Hi friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. This year on this auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri, Sadhguru, the founder of Isha Foundation, which is located at Coimbatore, consecrated more than 1 million beads of Rudraksha. These Rudraksha were then opened for booking at the live event of Mahashivratri and then distributed for free to all the seekers. I was fortunate enough to get a booking of one Rudraksha and have finally received the Rudraksha Diksha kit. In today's video, I will be unboxing it and show you how to use it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before unboxing, let me share a short story related to Rudraksha. The legend goes that once Shiva sat for meditation for a long period of time. His ascetity was such that it made him absolutely still, unmoving. He seemingly didn't even breathe, and everyone thought he was dead. There was only one sign of life, the tears of ascetity that dribbled from his eyes. These teardrops fell upon the earth and became Rudraksha, Shiva's tears. Let's begin the unboxing. In the envelope packaging, you will find a Rudraksha wrapped in a small black cloth. A sachet of Isha Vibhuti, Adiyogi image, and an instruction manual with different languages. On opening the small cloth, you will find one Rudraksha bead with two Abhay Sutras. The Rudraksha is a 5-mukhi Rudraksha and can be worn by both men and women. The first and the most important thing to be done before wearing Rudraksha is conditioning it. For conditioning Rudraksha, we need to soak it for 24 hours in clarified butter or ghee. After 24 hours, soak it in full-fat milk for another 24 hours. After a period of 48 hours, remove it and wash it with clean water. And then wipe the beads with a clean cloth. Avoid using any kind of soap after conditioning the Rudraksha, either by using the Abhay Sutra or copper chain. It can be worn around the neck. It can be worn by anyone irrespective of any kind of discrimination. It can even be worn by women during their menstruation. Remember, during bath, if any kind of chemical soap or hot water is used, it is advised to remove and keep it on the cloth during bath. After bath, you can again wear it. If for any reasons you cannot wear it, then keep it safe, wrapping it in a natural cloth like cotton or silk in vessels made up of natural materials. Containers like gold, copper and silver can also be used. Then comes Vibhuti. Vibhuti literally means ash. Isha Vibhuti is a sacred ash imbibed with the energy of Dhyanalinga. Ash basically symbolizes the mortal nature of life. It enhances receptivity as well as serves as a great medium to transmit energy. In order to apply it, take a little quantity in between your ring finger and thumb and apply between the eyebrows, known as the Agna Chakra, the pit of the throat, known as the Visuddhi Chakra, and chest where the rib cage meets, known as the Anahata Chakra. It is applied at the Agna Chakra to enhance clarity, at the Vishuddhi Chakra to establish power for well-being, and at Anahata Chakra to create love and devotion in your life. Then comes the 2 strings of Abhay Sutra. Abhay literally means without fear. This is especially consecrated cotton thread that is tied around one's wrist to overcome one's fear and fulfill one's ambitions. Women must wear it on their left wrist and men on their right. It can be worn for minimum 40 days. After 40 days, you can untie it, but please do not cut it. It can be disposed either by burning it or by burying it in wet soil.
I hope this video will be useful for those who have ordered the Rudraksha. Moreover, if anyone else want to know more information about it, I will share the link below. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it and find it informative, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. See you in the next video. Till then, let's live, connect and grow. Bye.